Hello members!
Hello!
So we got 3 patients in this compilation. We do a me, Taylor, me split on this one. There's a common theme through this members video. They're all stone-like wax, or absolutely rock solid wax all the way through. So this first patient's mine, and you can see we're dealing with a little narrow canal and quite a hard little lump of wax there. So I've decided forceps might be the better option for this one. I've got a grip.
Oh, they're the perfect ones.
When
they come out in one big nugget like
that's
that.
what you want to see.
Oh,
that's not what you want to
see.
So we got the first section. I thought exactly the same thing as Taylor. Amazing, it's all like one go. And then we got this little beastie that's sitting there a bit further in. It looks dry as a bone. Look at that. Tough as old boots, that one.
Absolutely solid.
Yeah. So he's breaking. Luckily, with a lot of these, they do kind of break down a little bit as you bring them out.
Yeah, but luckily, we usually have a lot of soft wax. We see a lot of soft, which is fair because we do expect it a lot of the time because we do advise the patients use olive oil, so it's always expected to be soft. But it's sometimes in a way it's kind of nice to have these like little hard ones that come through because they
breaks
usually
up a little bit.
Yeah,
it is.
Oh goodness!
I know we got hard and hairy.
Hard and hairy on this one.
So there we go. But it's you can see it's starting to peel away. We've got a little bit of dry skin right at the entrance, and it's not quite there. Look at that. Oh, guys, video editors. Thank you to everyone who sent the stuff in. Poor old Mrs. B at the moment has had her tonsils removed on Sunday, just gone. So she's off for a couple of weeks, bless her. And she's feeling a bit poorly at the moment, but so she is on the mend. Don't panic, she is on the mend. But Mrs. B's dealing with that side of things. So if you haven't heard anything yet, bear with her. When she gets back to work, look how hairy that is. She will get back to you guys, I promise. Okay. We just haven't had a chance because we've been so busy in work, and because Leah's not here, it's really difficult to get everything done. So. But yeah, she is on the case, I promise. Yeah. There we go. I do know, just add another bit in, that we've got another hearing care assistant. We're re-advertising one of the posts, so that's coming up soon as well. So keep an eye out for that if you'd like to come and work for Audiology Associates. You've got relevant we're lovely people. Come and join the team. We'd love to have more people on the team. That would be absolutely fab as well. So I'll put that out in the subscribers. You'll probably hear me repeating myself tomorrow on the subscribers video, but I'll say the same thing again.
Yeah.
But there we go, all clear. 2.5 cent. Oh no, hang on, 1 inch.
Yeah, 2.5 centimeters.
Almost. Sorry, almost did yours.
That's fine. This is yours again, isn't it?
No, this is yours now.
Oh, this is mine, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, was that your first?
That was my first one. Both of yours. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this is mine. Now this one was named, as we said at the start of the video, stone-like wax. So it actually looked really soft before I started, and I thought, okay, this should come really nice and easy, but. The whole thing is just, it's absolutely it looks soft at the front because the patient used a little bit of olive oil, but the wax was so hard it hasn't really got into the core of the wax, so it's just kind of coated the surface. There's little tiny patches of soft wax, but it is absolutely solid, this one. So my favourite tool's coming into play.
There he comes. The Rosen insert. I got to get one of them in a t-shirt.
Yeah. Just a Rosen insert.
Nothing else.
Like a Nike tick, but a Rosen insert.
We're going to turn it on its side.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. What's the Nike's logo? Just do it.
Oh,
is it Nike?
Yeah, I think it is.
Just do it. There you go. Free sponsorship there for Nike. See that free advertising for Nike as well. Didn't even pay us for that. If you had to, with it. Throw a curveball.
Doing the Cardiff half marathon in a couple of weeks, so please.
You're doing it again, are you?
Yeah, doing it again.
Oh, fair play to you, buddy.
Doing it again. I'm not ready for it, but I'm doing it again.
I got the knees of an 80-year-old, so I can't. I used to be able to run. I've done the Cardiff twice, I think, but I can't do it now.
It's a lovely run, to be fair. The atmosphere is fab. This is a top atmosphere.
Yeah.
I think I've done it like 6 times now, 6 or 7 times.
Fair play to you.
I've done a few other half marathons in a few other areas, but Cardiff's probably my favourite so far that I've done. I mean, there was one I did in West Wales, which was a nice one as well, quite flat, going across the beach and across the harbour. Lovely one.
Nice.
Not Swansea. Not Swansea. That's a good one as well.
You'll be Iron Man in next.
I want to, but I just
Man?
Yeah, but I just haven't got.
If you need
time at the
somebody
moment.
to like hold your bike, I'll hold your bike for you.
Cheers, man.
Yeah, I'll even unlock the bike lock for you and everything.
Just drive behind me in case I get stuck.
I'll drive you in front of you, you can hang on the back. Unknown competitor finishes Iron Man in record time.
Did the bike in 2 hours when it's usually supposed to take you like 8.
He regularly got up to speeds of 75 miles an hour. What is push bike? We go on them electric bikes.
Oh, yeah, I can imagine.
They go fair speed, those things.
Very expensive though.
They are pretty pricey.
Really expensive.
Yeah, they run off a few AA batteries and things. Yeah, yeah.
Big thick things like that.
Yeah, some of them. I mean, like the frame and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, Nike, if you're listening, this man needs sponsorship for his half marathon / Ironman career. He needs a new bike.
I just bought one of your t-shirts as well.
Yeah, see? Look. Brand ambassador. Brand ambassador.
Is it still me?
It's still you, but yeah.
I know we cleared the one side, but obviously this is the patient's other ear. But you probably would have noticed on the other side, looking at the eardrum. I know we've just completely talked over the top of it. Sorry. The eardrum, you could almost see a little bit of. It was almost like mottling to the eardrum, and I mean that can sometimes be like skin pigmentation. It can be to do with historic ear infections. Could also sometimes be to do with the drops patients use as well in some cases, but
and you will get sometimes you'll get with these like particularly hard waxes I guess, with the skin just not migrating off particularly well, and it ends up just sticking on the eardrum in patches, doesn't it? Yeah, that also happens.
It's absolutely solid though. Again, we've got the rose insert that just a nip behind. I tried to, if it is soft enough, it's hard, but if it's soft enough, you can sometimes get the tip of the rosin inserted in, which is what we've done there, and we just rolled it forwards. And this is the point where you usually drop it in the patient's lap.
Yeah,
it's so dry.
You try to pick it up. I will have a go. I'll really push it and think, oh, it's gonna go, and then off it goes.
In the pocket.
I had one the other week that did drop down the chap's shirt. He had just collar open and it went down his shirt. I was like, I was gutted as well because I really wanted that one for the YouTube video, and I can get it. So we're back to me again now, guys. This is you can see quite an unusual looking kind of ear canal here. It looks very kind of white. That's usually an indication of a lot of dead skin hanging around the entrance of the canal here. Yes, that is definitely dead skin. And then, yeah, that's it. And then you got this it's usually this super hard plug, and if it goes the way it normally goes, the plug is like physically attached to every bit of skin that's in there. And then you try and peel the skin, you can't get past the skin to get the next bit, and you haven't got enough room to peel it because you can't get the plug out. So it's usually a bit of an awkward one to get out. Yeah. Look at that peeling away though.
Goodness me.
That is a chunky bit of dead skin, that is.
Yeah. I was going to say, it looks really small.
It's not the biggest of canals, is it, at all? So try to get a grip on the front end of this plug just so we can bring this forwards.
You already know as soon as you start trying to peel that, I mean, on the bottom, it's just going to start going and going.
Yeah, and what always happens is you lift that bottom section, and then it lifts up to halfway up the plug, and every time you try and get to the plug, then that's you see that thing? It's like a meme, I think it is, where somebody's trying to plug something in behind like a wardrobe. Oh, they say black hand, it comes out. It's a bit like that. Every time you go in, the skin just goes no, no, you're not having it.
Stop.
Yeah. So it's I think it'll be a bit awkward, but I've got it forwards anyway. It's on its way.
Oh, yeah, that is really small.
It's a bit of a bold choice by me, that one, isn't it? Curette. I think that's.
You've obviously seen something.
I've seen something. I'm like, I can't see it now, but I obviously saw it then. Is it coming away? Oh yeah, it's starting to break the front end down. There you go. I've peeled it.
Oh, there's a little gap there, isn't it?
Is that what I've seen? Is it? Gosh, look at that.
That's the hair, isn't it? Yeah. Tricky these small ones. These small ear canals. You can't really get. As I was just saying on a couple of videos ago, I had a patient recently, I just could not get in there with two tools. I couldn't get in with the camera, and it was either one or the other. It's difficult.
You do get something. I've had a couple where I've had to kind of almost pull. Yeah, I guess it was to pull the ear canal for me.
To be honest though, with that one I just mentioned, well, even with the irrigation, I couldn't open it any wider. It was literally, it was almost like permanently almost closed.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you do get it. And sometimes the cartilage is just that tough. There's just hardly any give in it. It's just super solid.
Rugby players
Yeah.
and UFC fighters.
Yeah, yeah, true. Yeah.
Really thick cauliflower ear.
Yeah. Oh, I saw a video of somebody the other day purposely trying to give himself a cauliflower ear.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
I don't get it. They're dropping like, you know, like free weights. They're dropping like plates.
Yeah.
They like sandwiching their ear in between those.
I don't know why you would.
You can tell I hit the gym obviously a lot because I'm trying to describe the name of these machines. Like my dad,
What's that
my
thing?
dad would go nuts. My dad's a massive, like he's a massive gym head. My dad, he loves the gym. He's actually a world record holder for powerlifting.
Is he?
Didn't know idea.
I know he was doing something for charity. Was that the?
Well, it was a couple of years ago, but now that was when he was bodybuilding.
Right.
And my dad now is a powerlifter, and he holds the world record for over 60s powerlifting. He holds the world's over 60s powerlifting world record, and he actually broke the over 70s powerlifting world record. But because there wasn't an international judge present at the competition, it's not classed as a world record. But yeah, my dad's yeah.
Beast.
You can tell obviously he's passed his genetic makeup down to me because I am like so hench. Ripped. The guy ripping his cereal bars open. I say the guy ripped. So just over half an inch on that one.
1.5 centimeters.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching the video again today. I'm sorry we digressed a heck of a lot in that one, but thank you.
Do it all the time.
I don't know why I apologise. It's part of the course of the members video now. I think it's about a third wax. The rest is just total nonsense. Babble. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today and for being members of the channel. It does make a massive old difference to us here at Audiology Associates. So thank you so much for doing that. But until next time, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Did I do that in the right order? Didn't feel right. Oh, okay.
I think so, yeah.
And myself and lovely Miss Taylor, we'll see you for the next video. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.